In this Shotcut tutorial, I will show you how to enhance the color of a video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Shotcut. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, I've brought this clip of a steam engine into Shotcut, and the colors aren't that brilliant, so just make sure your clip is actually selected in the timeline by left clicking on it, and then look for the filters box, and then left click on the plus sign up the top here. Now this brings up the favorites sort of filters, but what you'll need to do is actually left click on the video tab here, which will bring up more options. Now there's a couple of ways you can actually improve the quality or the color of a video clip, and there's one called Old Film Technicolor, which sort of automatically brings up this quite sharp colors. You can change it here or in this box here, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't use that. What I would do, I'm going to just remove it by left clicking on the minus sign, then left click on the plus. What I would do is actually go for something that is called, if I can find it here a minute, yep, saturation, and left click on that. Now you can change the level by bringing your slider to the right or down. If you want to go back to the original sort of default setting, you can just left click on the round arrow, and also with your pointer over the 100%, you can roll your mouse, which gives you a better sort of control, and just roll your middle mouse till you're happy with the amount of colorizing or saturation that you produced. And once you've done that and you're happy with your clip, what you got to do now is export it. So I'm not going to go into that because, like I said at the beginning, I've assumed you have some understanding of editing in Shotcut. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.